Welcome to Bike Reviews, where we talk about motorcycles that matter to everyday riders. In this video, we take a closer look at the Hero Passion Pro 125, 2026, a bike that aims to blend trusted reliability with modern updates for daily commuting. Overview. The Hero Passion Pro 125, 2026, is positioned as a practical commuter motorcycle designed for riders who want efficiency, comfort, and a familiar riding feel. Building on the long-standing Passion legacy, this model focuses on refinement rather than radical change. Design and styling. In terms of design, the Passion Pro 125 carries a clean and mature look. Expect subtle yet noticeable updates like sharper body panels, refreshed graphics, and improved paint quality. The overall styling remains commuter-friendly, appealing to riders who prefer simplicity with a touch of modern flair. Engine and performance. The 125 cubic centimeters engine is tuned for smooth power delivery and stress-free city riding. It prioritizes fuel efficiency and low-end torque, making stop-and-go traffic easier to handle. The engine is designed to be reliable and low-maintenance, staying true to Hero's commuter philosophy. Ride comfort and handling. Comfort is one of the key strengths of the Passion Pro 125. An upright riding posture, well-cushioned seat, and suspension setup focused on Indian road conditions help reduce fatigue during daily rides. The bike feels stable and easy to maneuver, even for new riders. Features and technology. The 2026 version is expected to offer updated features such as a modern instrument cluster, improved lighting, and essential safety elements. These additions enhance convenience without making the bike overly complex or expensive. Mileage and practicality. Mileage remains a major highlight. The Passion Pro 125 is built for riders who want maximum value from every drop of fuel, making it an ideal choice for office commutes and daily errands. Conclusion. The Hero Passion Pro 125, 2026 continues to be a sensible and dependable commuter motorcycle. It doesn't try to be flashy, instead, it focuses on comfort, efficiency, and trust, making it a strong option for riders seeking a no-nonsense 125 cubic centimeters bike.